Thomas and Percy were about to be tucked in for a long night's sleep. "Percy," said Thomas, "do you know much about dreams? Because I keep having dreams about trains in a forest." "Oh," said Percy, "you know what that means." "What?" asked Thomas. "That you love nature," replied Percy, "just like Henry." "Well, what if I dreamed about caps on bottles?" asked Thomas. "That's about nature," replied Percy. "Pillows and pillowcases?" asked Thomas. "That's about nature," responded Percy. "Okay," said Thomas. "What about Sir Topham Hatt drinking Twilight Sparkle's urine?" "Oh," said Percy, "I might want to stay away from you right now."